I was way overdue for my home office makeover. It was dark, it was gloomy, it was very uninspiring. And so I definitely, without a doubt, needed a change. Hey there, Lisa on Autopilot here, and this is a home office makeover tour. As you can see, I still have some stuff to clean up. I got some boxes here. I have some stuff that I need to go through in there. So this is what my ugly office looked like. Okay, it wasn't ugly. It was just very uninspiring. Look at my floors are dark, right? They're like espresso floors, okay? And so I have espresso floors, and then I had the nerve to paint my walls dark blue. And then I had the nerve, on top of that, to have dark wood espresso color furniture in my office as well. So as you can see, this is what it was looking like. And I gotta tell you, it was just so dark. I mean, dark and uninspiring is the only word that the two words that I can think of right now. But now, it feels so good because I want it kind of like an airy, open, just brand new furniture, brand new everything in my office. Everything in there is basically brand new except the pictures on my wall, which I'll show you in just a second. But now I have a space where I can go and be creative and I can think clearly. And that's the thing, if you have a home-based business like I do, when you're working from home, whether it's for yourself like me, or if you are working for someone else from home, you know, a lot of people are working from home now, and you need that space. You need that clean, airy space. And that's what I was looking for. I wanted a clean, airy space for me to go in there and think, for me to go in there and create some amazing content. And that is exactly what I got. So what I am gonna do now is, my office is over there. So what I'm gonna do now is I am gonna take you on my little office tour. So let's go. Dun, 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 dun. Actually, you know what? I'm not gonna start from here. I'm gonna go around the kitchen. Okay, I am gonna start from this side. Are you ready? Let's do this. Ooh, there it goes. Oh my God, let's go look. So I'm gonna take you on a little tour first of the furniture. So as you saw before, I had a big, dark wood desk, and it was just so bulky and heavy and just ugly. And so I got this. Now this is actually a dining table. So it's a little dining table. It's glass with gold legs. I got my little round rug and it has gold in it. So you can see how cute that looks. And this little stool here that also has gold legs. And then I got this cute chair, which also has gold legs. You see I have a theme going on here, right, with the gold. And then I have to find a table or a little, a little stand for my printer. So for right now it's sitting right there. And then I have this little stand, which actually is a TV stand, but I didn't need a lot of stuff. Like, I wanted to get rid of stuff. I didn't want to, pack my office with a whole bunch of stuff because I wanted everything to be clear. And so minimalism is the name of the game in my office. So I actually, this was from the previous office design. I kept it because I really like it, but I might change it. So we'll see about that. And check out this picture that I have here. Easily distracted by shiny objects. That was the old Lisa, by the way. I'm no longer distracted by shiny objects, although I do love bling bling. All right, so as you can see, there's a lot of gold elements here. You can see it's white wood. See that? I just love it. And of course it has the gold legs, and I got a lot of gold popping off in here. Now, we'll take you to this little corner over here. And so here's my little white chair with, you guessed it, some gold legs and my boss lady frame, or I should say picture, right there. So now I'm gonna show you the feature. Ready? Let's do it. Ooh, wee, whoops, I'm banging into the doors here. So this wall, now these shelves, first of all, this was the dark wall. Okay, this was that just dark blue, uninspiring wall, okay? And so this was the dark blue wall. So my husband did this. I designed it, so I told him exactly what I wanted done. Now, I was looking on Pinterest a lot, and on Pinterest, I saw the wall, but I never saw a wall with shelves. And so this right here was actually my vision. So I got these really thick, chunky shelves. As you can see here, they're about 5 inches thick, and I love them. I got my little messy bun and getting stuff done picture there, and some little trinket stuff. I got some frames here that are not filled yet. You can see they still have the price tag on it. So I have to fill that up, but check out my wall. Isn't it gorgeous? And so as you can see, there's gray, gold, blue. You know, I have my orange here, a little pop of color there. And that's what I wanted. I wanted simplicity, airy, right? And so that's exactly what I got. And then I got this. Ooh, now this is called a fandelier. And here's how it works. Check it out. So I'm gonna turn it on. And it actually comes with a remote. So here's the remote. Now, this is a chandelier. You can see there's crystals, like little crystal balls hanging from it. I got this off of Amazon for like 200 bucks. So cute, super feminine. But check this out. It's actually not just a chandelier, but they call it a fandelier because it has extractable, I don't know if you could see the plastic blades there, but watch this, I'm gonna turn it on. So when I sit at my desk, I love the fan blowing on me because it gets really hot in my office. So isn't that cool? Isn't that cool? Oh my goodness. I just absolutely love it. Love, love, love it. Okay, so now I'm gonna turn it off, but I don't know if you'll be able to see the actual light. So there's different, this is like the white light, so there's different settings. This is the yellow light, and this is, I don't even know what you call it, but it's 3 different settings. So depending on, I guess, your mood, and you know, it's good for pictures, or if you're not doing pictures and you just want to work or whatever. So there you have it. It's just terrible on video though. So there you have it. This is my tour. This is my new home office, remodeled, redecorated. You see, I still have my dark floors, of course, but everything else is lighter, just the way I wanted it. So let me know what you think. What was your favorite part? Was it the wall, the shelves, or was it the fandelier? Or was it my cute little kitchen table desk that I turned into, a kitchen table that I turned into a desk? What was it? What was your favorite part? Hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you on the next one.